Welcome to the 2026 first year's orientation by the IT Society. The idea about orientations is that you make someone understand what's about a particular field. So in this case, we were explaining what you expect in IT Society and what's your program all about. It's not about getting the skill, but sometimes it's all about having a proper roadmap, because when you come at university, you need to understand what programs are best suited for you and how you can plan to achieve them. A good example is knowing something exists, but you don't know how to find it.
My name is Makasa, and I'm the vice treasurer.
I am inside.
So firstly and foremost, I will come. Some of you may be a bit lost since this is your first time at university. Okay? You guys, 5 years, 6 years, I don't know how many years from now, you guys will be out there in the industries working. But you want to graduate with theory, but with practical. Okay? And you will be surprised to know that currently the champions for the city, the old Zambia, I repeat, the old Zambia. What matters is hands-on. So that for you guys to achieve what I'm doing about right now, you need to step on protection. You need to work hand in hand with the IT society. My last words, I can just say, please don't leave the society and make sure to be participating in all the activities. We shall see what you will gain. The certificates which you will get before even you graduate as a degree student.
Everybody rock with me because I'm up now.